AJ Floor is a Chinese factory specializing in the production of SPC flooring and accessories, committed to providing customers with the best quality flooring products and services. Our flooring products and accessories are all 100% virgin material to ensure the highest quality products. The raw materials we use have undergone strict quality inspection and screening to ensure that every product can satisfy customers. We have advanced production equipment and a technical team, and the floors and accessories produced have excellent wear-resistant, waterproof and fireproof properties, and are deeply trusted and praised by customers. Our product styles are diversified, including floors of different colors, patterns and textures and various accessories, which can meet the needs of your different markets and customers. We pay great attention to the needs of customers, so the minimum order quantity we provide is 1 container to meet your purchasing needs and save transportation costs. Whether you are an importer, wholesaler or distributor, we will provide the best quality products and services according to your needs and budget. We promise to provide customers with the highest quality products and services, and establish long-term, stable, mutually beneficial and win-win partnerships.